Hey, hello friends, welcome back. This is Amuga. What's up? What's going on? If you're visiting this channel for the first time, please do hit the subscribe and then bell button in order to get regular updates. So this channel provides the information about C programming language basics, some of the tricky questions of an C's, coding of an Cortex M3 both in assembly and in an C languages, and few basic definitions regarding science and technology. If you are interested in these kinds of stuff, please do press the subscribe button as subscription is free.